Hello, good evening. I'm Chef Risam. Today I'm going to make grilled chicken. So I would like to share this recipe for you. Okay, first of all, grilled chicken like this from the back side. Then you cut chicken like this from breast piece front side. You got like this because of marinated. Then cut the chicken like this from breast piece like this. Make some 3-4 lines on the chest. After you cut the chicken, you wash properly the chicken. You put some white flour, some ginger garlic paste, some salt, half tablespoon of salt, then vinegar. You use some vinegar also when you are wash the chicken like this. Properly you wash this chicken when you are going to make grilled chicken. Okay, when you are wash your chicken, grilled chicken, you soak like this on vinegar water, salty water, then clean properly. Just hold it 10 minutes. Then after you wash this and marinate it for the grilled chicken. Okay, then use some tomato puree also on grilled chicken. Okay, so
1, 2, 3 start.
Okay, after then mix like this. Okay, I use hand, otherwise you use whisker also. But okay, I use some garam masala, chicken masala and mix masala also added some more. I use 1 bowl. I mix already on here. Okay, then mix oil. Okay, we keep chicken for the washing. Then we are starting for the marination. Okay, I take 2 onions, medium size onions, and 1 grated tomato for the grilled chicken. Okay, I already crossed this one. Then I use half tablespoon of dried soya and some food color and some half tablespoon of vinegar also I use on this grilled chicken. Okay, then 1 tablespoon of this salt also we use here. Okay, then some lemon juice also we use on grilled chicken. Then some mustard oil. See, mustard oil also we use on grilled chicken. And like this. After all, when you finish this marinated chicken, then rest, keep inside the refrigerator for an hour. Okay, when you are making grilled chicken, so needed some vegetables on grilled chicken for salad. So we are using this what we call this asparagus, local asparagus, then carrots, then onions. We make some sautés this one first, then after that we will make grilled chicken. Okay, then make grill this one. Yeah. Okay, we are making grill these vegetables for grilled chicken. These vegetables, it's cooked, half cooked only. You make half cooked. This one for salad, that's why you cooked half. Okay, let's start to grill this chicken. We are resting for an hour, so going to grilling now. almost half cooked. Within 5 minutes it gets ready. Okay, finally our grilled chicken is ready. So we are going to serve. So our grilled chicken platter is ready. So if you like grilled chicken, you visit Grilla to have this grilled